So today I want to talk about chapped lips, okay? One of the worst things you can do is actually taking a lip balm or chapstick, because a lot of times the ingredients contain alcohol or some solvent or mineral oil that pulls oil out of your skin around your lips, and then you need more of it. And then you put it on, it dries it out. Same thing with the hand creams as well. And sometimes they put wax in there, so you're putting this wax on your lips and trying to create moisture. But let's talk about what's behind this situation. It's a vitamin B2 deficiency. When you're low in riboflavin, okay, your lips will dry out. Eventually, you could get cracked corners of your mouth through here. Because B2 is an antimicrobial vitamin, you can then become infected with candida and it can turn red, okay? And then that can create fissures, little cuts on the side of your mouth. But vitamin B2 is a coenzyme. B2 has one function of breaking down fats, making sure that your skin is lubricated, okay? So what's happening is just not enough of this coenzyme, this activator, for the protein that does that action, and then you end up with dry lips. So what are the foods that have B2? Eggs, leafy greens, nuts, dairy. Meats will have B2, fish has B2, but really if they're deficient, it usually is coming from another factor. They're taking birth control pills, which will definitely cause a B2 deficiency. They might be a vegan and restricting certain foods that could create that. But this is a big thing right here. Refined foods will deplete vitamin B2. In fact, it's mainly going to be the refined grains and the refined sugars. Now, if you're new to my channel, you need to click down below in the description of this diet called healthy keto, okay, and intermittent fasting. If you're new, most of you already know about that, but if you're new to the channel, you need to learn how to do that. And that way you don't have to be deficient in these B vitamins anymore. A lot of people that get on keto, okay, and they get off the grains, they notice their skin is no longer dry. They notice that the lips are no longer cracked anymore. So if you were curious about what causes this, it's a B2 deficiency. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.